Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm coming at you today from MarineMax Stuart. I'm going to walk you through this beautiful 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX pre-owned. Just beautiful color on this boat. Dual axle trailer. This boat's equipped with a 150. You can see really nice layout on the boat. Nice lounger. Opens up for a cooler. You've got another cooler there. This is the infinity woven vinyl flooring. Really feels really nice on your feet. Switches out. This boat's equipped with the Simrad electronics. You've got a chart plotter. You've got a bottom machine or a combination thereof. Also, this boat has only got 13 hours. Equipped with the Fusion stereo system. You got nice bow seating. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. You can reach me at 561-657-9377. Thank you.